Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your motherboard or laptop model and the current BIOS version. That matters because firmware is model-specific. Once done, make a full backup or at least copy critical files off the system. BIOS updates are low risk but not immune to failure. Make sure the machine has uninterrupted power, plug the laptop in, and use a UPS for a desktop, because a power loss during flashing can brick the board. Now download the precise BIOS file from the vendor site. Next, verify the downloaded BIOS file integrity by checking its checksum and reading the vendor release notes so you understand fixes and risks. Create a FAT32 formatted USB drive if the vendor uses a DOS or UEFI flash utility, or open the vendor-provided Windows Update tool if supported. Once ready, close all applications and temporarily disable disk encryption or secure boot only if the vendor instructs. This prevents interference. Keep your phone nearby for vendor recovery steps in case the utility prompts you. Execute the flash according to the vendor method. Boot to the BIOS flash tool or run the official updater in the OS and follow prompts exactly. Once started, do not power off or reset the machine. The utility will usually reboot automatically and perform a post and checksum verification. After a successful update, recheck BIOS settings and re-enable any disabled features. If the update fails, use the vendor recovery jumper or recovery USB method and contact support with logs. That single tip often restores a non-booting board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.